marine iguanas nests. Right now here there might be 6 or 3 or 6 eggs over here. After 3 months the baby marine iguanas will hatch. 3 months. So we're talking about that this is the nesting season. March, April, let's say April, May, June, in between May and June, the baby marine iguanas will hatch on this island. So we have a lot, but a lot of them over there. Once again, you see holes like this, try to do not stand up, okay? And step. These remains that we can see here are the pencil, the spines of the pencil sea urchins. Oh.
And I'll film you backwards.